called the action button. You may have noticed that in all your Fly messages, they inherited this big button called action. When you click on it, you actually have 3 items: preview, word count, and version history. Alternatively, you could also do word count. Hopefully this looks familiar. In word count, the word count looks just like Microsoft Word. So if you're familiar with using Microsoft Word or Google Docs, you should be able to understand what this is looking like. So it tells you how many paragraphs you have, how many lines you have, how many characters, etc. So if you ever want to find out how many words, how many characters do I have inside this message, you can simply do actions, word count, and away you go.